This classic omelette recipe is quick and easy to prepare. It's loaded with yummy vegetables and it's best served over some breakfast or brunch. I love how omelettes are totally customizable. That is, you can add in your favorite veggies and in a matter of minutes, the omelette is going to be ready. Omelettes are packed with lots of proteins from eggs, making this recipe very filling, so it's best for breakfast or brunch. For this recipe, I'm going to be using very few fresh ingredients. I have a tomato, onion, chili, coriander, and also I have free-range eggs over here. And I'm going to be adding in one spice, that is black pepper, because I absolutely love black pepper. And also I'm going to be seasoning my omelette with salt. So I'm going to get started by chopping up my tomato, which is clean. So I'm going to cut into strips and then I'm going to dice. Next, I'm going to cut my onion in half because I'm going to be using only one half. And then I'm going to slice into strips. Slice one green chili, which is very optional. Transfer my tomatoes, onions, and chili into a small bowl. And lastly, I'm going to chop up some coriander leaves. Dice my coriander a little bit. I'm going to keep my coriander aside. And in my small bowl, I'm going to crack in my 3 eggs. Next, I'm going to be adding in some black pepper and salt. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper because I absolutely love black pepper. And salt. Using a fork, I'm going to mix in everything to combine. Once done, you're going to place a non-stick pan over medium-low flame. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. It's not a lot because I'm making, the oil is not a lot because I'm making 3 eggs. Using a kitchen brush, I'm going to spread the oil in the pan. Add in my eggs. You're going to let your eggs slowly cook while you flip your pan so that the rest of the egg can sit in the bottom part of the omelette, so that you can evenly distribute the eggs in the pan. Sprinkle in my finely chopped up coriander on top. Look how gorgeous the egg is looking on the bottom side. So you're going to give the other side around 30 more seconds so that it can fully cook. And after 30 seconds, I'm going to flip it once more to show you how gorgeous the omelette is looking like. Next, you're going to serve yourself your omelette. If you're looking to switch up your regular breakfast, try out this vegetable omelette, which is loaded with lots of vegetables. It's flavorful and very delicious. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe.